How's it going, everyone? It is me, Lightning Toy Reviews, and this is just a something random. I don't know. I'm gonna have to place the camera like this because wait. First of all, can you guys hear me? So yeah, guys, what just came in the mail yesterday was pretty awesome. You know what it is? It is a fidget spinner. So yeah, guys, I'm not copying Lazy Man Dan, but I kind of am, but I don't want to be like a copycat and stuff. No. But if you guys can if you let's see, if you guys can guess how much this cost, I will shout you out in the next video. And just look at this. Just look at this. But yeah, if you guys can see that. But yeah, guys. You don't know what this is, don't you? Do you? Because I do. It's this little keychain. It's a light. But yeah, guys, I will shout you out in the next video if you can guess how much this cost. And yeah, if you guess, well, first of all, it's between $5 and $10. It's between $5 and $10. So that's one hint. It's between $5 and $10. And by the way, I will be reviewing, or I will be getting more, because I only have one for right now. Cause yeah. Yeah, this is silly putty, so don't. But yeah, guys. Also, today was an awesome day, but also, well, first of all, it's very cool. Second of all, today was a good day. I am uploading today, and I love today because it's a good day. Second of all, look at this. It's a stick bot. Superhero landing. But yeah, guys. First things first, if you guys get it wrong, I will still do something special. You know what? That's kind of weird. If you guys get it wrong, it's fine. I mean, yeah, it's cool. But yeah, I just saying random stuff. But yeah, I will be I will put in a intro for my video, cause I have an intro. It's just I haven't uploaded yet. I haven't uploaded it yet, like what it's going to be, because first of all, I really need an intro, like a music intro. But I can make one. I couldn't really edit it in. But I did actually, I have it, but I'm going to try to figure out how to get it on there. And also, yeah guys, it says, because I can't fit Lightning Toy reviews, it says, it says LTR, Lightning Toy Reviews. Because of course, it's short, but that's my nickname, LTR. LTR. But yeah, guys, I just wanted, the main thing was about this fidget spinner. And yeah, guys, I think that is the end of this video, so, bye!